Alright guys, Double-G64 here, welcome to the video, and today this is going to be another YouTube short of this 2008 Holmes Haof 7-inch oscillating table fan. And yes, so here's the front, side, and the back. Yeah, this is a YouTube short, by the way, I'm doing it quick. And here's the yellow sticker. Says, can't really see it. Here's the switch. Which works pretty well. So, let's start it off on low with it. Oscillate, here we go. A little bit. Gonna box now a little bit. Laterally. That's fine. And high. With oscillate. Turn it off. And that's it. So hope you enjoyed the video. Please see by me. This is Double-G64 signing off. Hope you enjoy.